everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. Now in this video we will discuss about the metabolites, the primary as well as the secondary metabolites. The learning objectives will be to discuss and differentiate primary and secondary metabolites. Now what are metabolites? Metabolites, as the word suggests, they are formed during the metabolic pathways. We discussed in the video of metabolism that metabolic pathways occur in chains and different intermediates are formed. So these intermediates, combining together the intermediates, the products, the small molecules which can be micromolecules as well as the macromolecules, the organic or the inorganic part, all of them combined together are called metabolites. Now these metabolites generally are taken to be small molecules. They are generally restricted to be small molecules, like if we talk about proteins and amino acids are the metabolites, right? So they can be divided into two categories, primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. Now let us see what are the primary and the secondary metabolites. Now first, primary metabolites. Primary, as the word is suggesting, means they are prime. They are important and they are the first one to be synthesized. So they are directly involved in body's metabolism and body's functions. So they are either the intermediates or the product. They are part of any metabolic pathway that is happening in the body. They are primary metabolites. Now they have a definite role in case of growth, development, reproduction, respiration, anything which is happening. These primary metabolites have a major role or a participatory role in those reactions. So they are important for growth as well as development, and for that matter any function of the body which keeps us alive and healthy. Now examples are like alcohols, amino acids, nucleic acids, nucleotides. All of these are examples of primary metabolites. Next is secondary metabolites. Now secondary metabolites in comparison to primary metabolites are simple organic compounds which are not directly involved in metabolic pathway. They are not participating in the reactions which are important for the function of the body. So they are either synthesized by plants, fungus, microbes, and they are not essential part of metabolic pathway. Next, they are not essential part and as a result not directly involved in growth and development of the body. Rather, they will have ecological functions. What are ecological functions? Like they can have a medicinal use, they can be used for defense, also they can be used for flavorings. All of these different functions which are not necessarily very important functions but are certainly essential, right? All these functions are carried out by secondary metabolites. They can also be poisonous, right? So it's not that always they are good only, they can be poisonous also, but primary metabolites, they cannot be poisonous. The examples are pigments. For example, the pink color flower, the purple color flower that you see, that is because of the secondary metabolite anthocyanin produced in them. Next is alkaloids. Alkaloids like morphine, codeine, present in the plants, extracted from the plants, all of these are secondary metabolites. Next is toxins, the antibiotics. Antibiotics can also sometimes be primary metabolites in case of bacteria. Drugs like vinblastine, which is obtained from the flower, right? Next is polymeric substances like rubber and gum, which is extruded out of the plant tree. Those are also secondary metabolites. So they are not participating in the basic metabolic reaction, but they are performing some other functions, right? So this is all about primary and secondary metabolites. See the diagram. So you can clearly see the inorganic compounds like phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur, all of them are combining together to form biomolecules. Biomolecules, we have already learned, they are very important for the functioning of the body. Now these biomolecules, macro and micro, are metabolites, and micromolecules like amino acids, sugars, vitamins, all of them are primary metabolites. Now these primary metabolites can also form secondary metabolites. So we have to remember that secondary metabolites, apart from being produced, organic compounds being produced apart from the metabolic pathway, they are also derivatives of primary metabolite, right? So secondary metabolite have very important economic function and they can be derivatives of primary metabolites. So this was all about primary and secondary metabolites. Right? I hope you have understood the concept that what are secondary metabolites, what is the importance of secondary metabolites, because this is very important with the perspective of grade 11 exam. Till then, thank you very much.
TutorialsPoint.com. Simply easy learning.